boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device, my friends. You know, The Scoop is for your entertainment and your education only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor. I can't tell you to buy, sell, or hold anything, my friends. If you hear anything on this show that you want to buy, sell, or hold, consult your financial advisor, and they will be able to advise you on that. You know, I'm an author. I write books. My books can be found on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook. As for those Mickey D books on financial service, on education, on marijuana, cannabis education, the whole nine, early studies, the whole nine, my friends. DEE, that is, my friends. Mickey D and your librarian at your local library. They can order them for you free anywhere in the world, anywhere in the country, my friends. All you have to do is just ask him or her, and they will be able to help you and assist you in that area, my friends. It's been turbulent out there. Make no mistake about it. The bear seems to be sitting in here, at least for a couple days or so. We're negative now on the Dow. It's our S&P, and only thing that's not is the NASDAQ right now. The NASDAQ is not holding up, but it's going down because it was up so high. Ask Mickey D, are you making money in this? Yes, I am. And I'm going to tell you how I'm making money in this market here in a second, my friends. But my friends, got a couple important dates for you. You know, things in the summer are kind of free. You know, you have those festivals and those different things that are kind of free you can go to, and those different shows and stuff. I'm going to tell you about two that will be appearing at. The Scoop goes on the road, my friend. We're going to beautiful Arizona. We're going to the University of Arizona, my friends. We'll be there a Sunday, March 15th. Be there from 12 to 2. We're going to give The Scoop a little time here. And we'll be talking about several of our books, my friends, on marijuana. We'll be talking about where the industry and where cannabis is headed and where it goes. I look forward to talking to many of you. You Rincon Rangers out there, Rincon High School. Show me some love. You Saguaro cats, you Palo Verde cats out there, you Pueblo cats, Catalina, show a brother some love on Sunday, March 15th at the Pavilion there. Tucson Festival of Books. We will be there, my friends. Also, as our calendar is starting to get filled in, another date I want to tell you about is May 11th through the 13th, my friends. We'll be at the Money Show in beautiful Las Vegas with all the all-stars, all the experts will be gathering, and we will be right there with them, my friends. Bally's in Paris there. Bally's, May 11th through the 13th. Look forward to seeing everyone there. As you know, my friends, our marijuana stocks and our cannabis stocks have been in a true bear market here now for the second year. We're going on the second year of a true bear market. They've gone down. They go up. Stocks go up, and then they come back down. You know the deal. It's a bear market. It's a bear market. Now, the overall market right now, due to coronaviruses and everything else, and the Fed and everything, whatever you want to say, it's arguable, the market is going down. So we've got yearly, we got lows on the Dow, the S&P, and there's a lot of markets all over the world. I know that the Scoop is being seen all over the world. So we have markets that are down everywhere, my friends. I have a bone to pick, though, with one of my subscribers, and we'll talk about that here in a second, my friends. But those are the two dates. Sunday, March 15th, the Tucson Festival of Books in beautiful Tucson, Arizona, University of Arizona. Look forward to seeing all Americans there. Will the Thrill, Vivian. Look forward to seeing their daughter, Vanessa, Bryant, the kids, the grandkid. I look forward to seeing family and some people there to come out. Like I said, you guys represent, man. Especially, hey, I was a Rincon Ranger, my friends. So I got to have the Rangers come out. Medalist newspaper, that's where it all started. And went from there to best-selling books. Yes. A lot of people don't know, man. Rangers, they just think of Linda Ronstadt, was a Ranger. They don't know before she went to Catalina. So they don't know. Mickey D is in the house. I'm not in her category now. Don't get it twisted. That's a talented singer out there that recently has got an illness. Or did she pass away? I don't want to put that out there. Don't want to put that out there. She was ill, but she's well now. If she's with the Lord or if she's resting at home, she's well. Okay, let's get that straight. My friends, people are saying, Mickey D, what's going on here? What's going on here with Ethereum? What's going on here with Bitcoin? I'm gonna tell you about that here in a second. They also asked me, they said, Mickey D, are you making money in this market? What's going on, man? Can you make any money? What's your vehicle of choice? Well, I'm gonna tell you, my friends, my vehicle of choice for shorting this market, I'm not a big short guy. I'm not a, I'm long and strong, especially when you're talking about HIVE and you're talking about OWPC. You're talking about stocks that we've been focusing on in certain situations, in special situations. But a few days ago, my friends, I went with a very, very risky three times inverse Pro Shares Ultra Pro short. I'm talking about the SQQQ. Yes, my friends, I'm shorting the Qs. Shorting the NASDAQ, my friends, because those technology stocks and all, which led the way up, there's a possibility they're leading the way down. Now I'm up 70, 80%, whatever, But my friends, I believe there's a lot more money to be made. But you have to find a vehicle that's suitable for you. Just because I trade the SQQQ, the 3 times inverse, that I can lose all of my money in a flash. Short period of time, my friends. Or I can make a lot of money like I'm up right now as the market goes down. So that's a position you got to take. You have to get your vehicle of choice. Well, maybe you just like buying puts on certain companies. Well, you buy puts on certain companies. Whatever you like doing, however you like. If you think it's going to affect the currency or something and you're trading a Forex, do whatever suits you, my friend. Maybe you just like gold and you think, well, gold is backing up. The stocks are backing up a little bit. Maybe that's time to buy. Maybe entries right now, just like I did in my last video, I was telling you guys, are entries right now good during this pullback? We're going to see here pretty soon because there's been a pullback in the market. There's been a pullback on Bitcoin. There's been a pullback on Ethereum. Let's talk about it for a second, my friends. Bitcoin in the last 48 hours has hit that magic 8,500. Now, you guys know when we got into HIVE blockchain at under 10 cents, the one thing I told you is keep an eye on the Bitcoin Ethereum price because that price will dictate how HIVE blockchain does for now. Maybe one day it will separate itself and it'll be more toward Ethereum instead of Bitcoin. But right now, Ethereum and Bitcoin kind of trade together. One's not going to go way up and the other one goes way down. No, they're kind of going hand in hand right now as we speak, my friends. And as Bitcoin went down to 8,500, tested that area here, it's since bounced back up. And Ethereum went down to like 215 or so, and it's bounced back up. We said that 224, basically 225 was that was a settled area there. That was an area that we thought we would settle down at, and we would bounce from there. That's what I put out. But we did not think that Bitcoin would go under 10,000. We thought this was the 80, and it's since bounced. So if it gets back up above 10, and was it a buying opportunity? HIVE did go down, and that's our low risk, high reward play with Bitcoin, Ethereum move, which we think is going to be a big move. And we think that it may be some sort of area where some money settles, during this coronavirus. If things get worse, like in some areas, like talking about Brazil, some areas in Europe and California now, these are coming to America. The top dog out here, CDC, said it's inevitable, it's going to happen. We're going to get cases here in America. And if there's a pandemic, then things will be kind of rough. So we'll keep an eye on that, and we'll see how that goes. And evidently, maybe the dumping is over in Bitcoin and Ethereum. We'll see. And I don't think we got down. I know it was Troy, you wanted to get down to 14. We didn't quite get down there, but I still think this is a great buying opportunity. Daryl, those are great buys. Don't even look back, man. Keep rolling. It's a time to get in and be strong and long, just like Mackenzie's been saying. Just strong and long, and that's we're down with that, and that's what we do, my friends. I don't want to take up too much of your time. With that said, my friends, I do want to say a couple things. Yolanda Mason, the aunt, my daughter's aunt, has gone to be with the Lord. My ex, her sister, and I really, my hearts go out to the family, to the Los Angeles family there, and we wish them well. I know Mrs. Sanders has got to be, my heart goes out to her, and my prayers and our thoughts go out to the family, and a wonderful family, and beautiful people, and she's gone much too soon, before her time, my friends, well before her time. But I wish her and her husband and family the best there, and I wish them a speedy recovery on that. But there's some things, my friends, that you really can't. It takes a while, so the family will grieve as they will grieve, and they have a lot of love in that family. Also, my friends, Paula Renee Cheek. Paula's in the hospital, and she's a friend of the Scoop, and we really want her to get well and do her rehab and everything, so she won't miss any of our shows. We love her, and God bless her, and we hope that she gets well soon, my friends. With that said, my friends, I did want to show you the chart again. OWCP, my friends. As you know, we are waiting for that little area right there, that gap to be filled at little under 3 cents. We haven't quite made it yet. We've come awfully close. 0.033. I'm talking about under 3. And we may have a waterfall moment. Who knows? We're just waiting. That's what we're doing right now. We're just waiting, and we'll see how that goes. I do have orders in, my friends, to catch it as it goes down, and that's what will happen there. My friend, it's you guys don't know what you mean to me. You guys mean a lot. My loyal subscribers, you guys, we got a lot of new subscribers I know on board. Hit that red button there, and we'd love to have you on board. You guys watch all of my shows, which is beautiful. I love it. My loyal subscribers, and I did the other day, I wish I could just give you everybody this little hemp heaven. Remember, I was going to show you about some lotions and stuff. We're talking about OWCP and the lotion area and getting the creams and all that kind of stuff. And that I picked that up for that's what I wanted to show you, or a little organic thing, $1 or something, $2 or something. And really, you can get it online. I don't endorse, or I'm not endorsing or supporting any type of lotions or anything like that, my friends. I'm just telling you, there's stuff out there. There's different products out there, and they're fairly good products from what I'm hearing. So, my friends, that's it. Once again, we'll be in Tucson, Arizona, March 15th, 12 to University of Arizona Pavilion. Look for Mickey D and the Scoop. Also, May 11th through 13th, the Money Show out in Las Vegas, Nevada. We'll be there. Hope you have a great time. There was something I wanted to tell you about another friend that said something to me profound. It was Tia. What I was going to say something about. Yeah, I can't remember, my friends. Senior moment. Who knows? But anyway, a couple gold stocks I do like. I did want to tell you. See, if you listen to the end of the show, you're gonna hear a gold stock now that I like. That Hummingbird Resources is hard to get. It's going to be a winner. when this thing is said and done. It's got to go up. You know, gold's got to go up. It's going to go up. It's going to go up to 2,000. You know, sooner or later, it's going to go up. It's going to go up. And Pure Gold Mining is another one that I like. Out of Pure Gold is out of Canada. Great company, great low company. Only 55 cents now USD. So you got these low price. You know, our baby knockouts over the years have been, you know, legendary. We believe that HIVE blockchain will be a legendary baby knockout. It'll be a legendary baby knockout. It'll be like AOL back in the day, from under a quarter to, you know, $50. We believe HIVE blockchain has that potential. Now, I ain't putting it out there like that, but it has potential to do what? We're talking about a new industry. We're talking about good management. We're talking about a company that's making some money, and they may even surprise with their next earnings. Let's see, my friends. We'll see exactly what happens when HIVE Blockchain reports earnings. And make sure you listen to that conference call with Frank Holmes, because he's going to lay it down and tell you exactly where this stays. I don't know what date it is. I'll get that date for you. But he's going to lay it down, my friends. And like I tell you, 25 years ago when I met the guy, he was a straight shooter then. He's a straight shooter now. So that's the deal. If Bitcoin and Ethereum turn into a safe haven little area, expect those prices to go way back up, my friends. Right now, they're kind of in the doldrums there. I did say that, I put it out there, HIVE would suffer if Ethereum and Bitcoin go down. Well, they did have pullbacks, and HIVE suffered. But now they seem to have be going up, and HIVE will even go up even stronger if they go up. That's the way it goes, my friends. These little baby knockouts that we have, once they get that momentum and they start rolling, it can be good times. Good times, my friends. But with that said, love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, my friends. I look forward to seeing you in beautiful, the desert in Tucson, Arizona. I look forward this summer to seeing you in Las Vegas, Nevada at the Money Show, my friends. We're going to have a lot of fun. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, my friends. Take care. The next video is coming up right now. We say right now. The next video is coming up right now. Right over my shoulder. You know, you may get a little bit of my head from time to time. And sometimes I give you a second or two to you know, point, you know, poing. But it's coming up right now. God bless you. Take care.